Hi, my name is Amaya, and I am 30 years old. I was sent to jail because I almost killed my grandmother, who turned out to be my brother. Well, in fact, that sounds very strange to you. My mother grew up not knowing who her mother is, and she was in search all the time for her biological mother. It was very peaceful in my household. My mom and dad had a great relationship, so barely any problems happened. I had a brother who was older than me. I never got along with him. In fact, we fought over everything. We even fought each other about who was going to have my room when we first moved into our house. After a few months, my mother informed my brother and I about the fact that she's going to stop the search of our grandmother, so she's going to focus on finding a new job. I was okay with it. I didn't have a problem at all. In fact, I've gotten used to that idea that I never had a grandmother. I guess my brother never got over it. One day, my brother informed us that he was going on a trip with his friend. He left. After a few days, my mom received a message on her Facebook from an elderly woman who seemed very interesting because she claimed she was my mom's mother. My mom was so happy she started to cry from joy. I was joyful as well. I guess it will be a good thing to have a grandmother. So my mom invited the woman over, so the woman agreed to come visit. I was very suspicious because I started to question where was she all those years. My mom never questioned, and she said she doesn't want to question at all because she's ready to start a new page. The next morning, the lady came over. She didn't look right to me. My mom was really happy and hugged her. My mom discovered that this lady was mute. So the lady wrote on the paper in response to my mom. Regardless of the fact, what I saw was amusing, and I never seen my mom so happy. Few hours pass. My mom left to get dinner ready, and I was in my room. I was walking to the bathroom when I heard a male's voice coming from the living room. So I peeked, and that lady was talking on the phone. I was so scared. All I could think of, this man who's dressed as an old lady is going to kidnap us or do trafficking. I went running into the kitchen and told my mom that the lady is a man and he's planning to kidnap us because I heard him on the phone. My mom did not even acknowledge and thought I was just acting weird because I didn't like her. So I grabbed a knife and ran to the living room. My mom started running behind me, trying to stop me. The next thing I know, the lady was saying, "Stop, I'm your older brother," but unfortunately it was too late. I stab him in the shoulder and he faints. I thought I killed my own brother. I cried so much. My mom called the police on me and my brother was taken to the emergency. I got to meet my brother. He told me that he forgives me and he was just trying to make my mother happy, and for me, I had to deal with the consequences. Do you have a brother who likes to prank you? Please leave it in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.